Okay, so we're gonna begin this by slicing the loaf down the middle. Look at that, beautiful. All right, now just finish cutting the crust. Sometimes the bottoms can be a little firmer than the rest, so you can do it like this or, however you can get it done. All right, yes. It smells good. Turn it on its side, where the inside is face down, and then you're gonna begin slicing it in half. And then from here, choose your thickness and then continue to slice. And it makes it a lot sturdier and easier to do this way. For sandwiches, I made these into grilled cheeses. That one's thick. And then you probably could have got one more out of that, but I went ahead and just slathered it with butter and ate it.